Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph, and today I'm here with Dion. So I've been for the last year or so following Crypto Banter. They got a lot of videos that they put out, and it's really good quality stuff. So I recommend, if you're not subscribed, go and check it out. Now, one of the presenters at Crypto Banter is Sheldon. And so Sheldon, what he does, he regularly goes into the charts and he gives trading trades that he thinks he's going to take. He's an excellent trader. His market analysis is very, very good. And so he identified a massive trend reversal. He says there's going to be a massive break of a trend. And I thought this is absolutely worthwhile for us to just look at. This is good news, for, especially for the crypto holders. There's a lot of crypto whales, Bitcoin buyers that are buying based on this signal. So before we get into this video of Sheldon, Dion, what do you think? Do you think we are breaking a long-term trend right now, or do you think this is just a fake out?
No, for sure. I don't think this is a fake out. I agree with him. This is just the Bitcoin weekly chart. You can see we were following this trend since November, this bearish trend, and I think what everyone's seeing now is this big reversal pattern here on the weekly chart. And so that's looking great, and we're about to break out this trend line that we've been following since November. So it's looking awesome, and you can see that we are very, very, very low at the moment. So it's a great time to buy.
Okay, guys, thank you. Let's listen to Sheldon as he explains what is happening with Bitcoin.
Big thing, guys. Obviously, massive increase of volume over the last few weeks on Binance, which is quite crazy. Quite crazy to see how we've seen, this is the highest week we've seen of volume on a weekly chart from Binance, which is absolutely incredible. And we're still wondering the question, why so much volume, market not doing anything? Simply put, flush out of retail, flush out of normal people. Big guys always buy when there's fear in the market and the market is drained out. And then what happens is we start to break a very key trend, and you'll start to see how volume will actually start going down here, because now you no longer need the big guys. Retail take over from here. And it's quite simple, guys. Like, you don't feel like buying right now. You're scared it's a fake out. If Bitcoin goes to 25K or 26K in the next week, you're going to have that temptation to buy again. And it's just showing how we are flipping the same thing back of what we've seen many times. Flush out, then it turns straight into Bitcoin. And what's quite interesting is if we look at the dominance, on where the dominance is at, it's also showing that we're getting that little reset of when love turns back into let's go back to this one over here. Love turns back into Bitcoin at times like this, and you can see how the dominance now is starting to show strength to the upside. So it's just showing that all love and all eyes go back to Bitcoin as soon as we break the key areas, and then it gets flushed back into altcoins. So what it basically means for me is if the market breaks out now, and around 20K of the closing candle today is a sort of breakout for me, we break out at that level, Bitcoin runs first. And then what it does is diversify back into the altcoins. So what I'm seeing is 2-3 weeks of bullishness from Bitcoin, slow grind in the altcoins, as in Ethereum and the bigger caps. There is one or two that I think will run with it. And then I think after that, they only break their trends. Because if we look at a little thing of Ethereum, and I'll show you guys Ethereum over here now, and I'll show you this on the weekly, look how far Ethereum still is from its major trend. So we got Bitcoin sitting on its major trend right now for the breakouts, and you still have Ethereum that's still a little while away. So it's basically meaning Bitcoin run first, bring the money into the market, slow grind up from the altcoins, and then the altcoins come, in my opinion, I think they're coming in November. So I think October is a Bitcoin month, especially if things turn really bullish. I think we do then have the Dixie and all of that continue to slow down. This was a really... What's this guy doing?
Good evening.
Hi, Ran.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
What's up?
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Hi, Ran.
Evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
You gone? Take my screen off, but now you got. So this was a really good reversal from the Dixie last week. And that is obviously a good sign for us. We do have a major trend we're hoping to break in that time. But for now, it is showing weakness and it is showing a bit more downside in the Dixie. So that's obviously good. And then we ended up getting a lot of, the British pound, really strong bounce last week. The euro, strong bounce too. Everything started to show some strength again. So just showing again, slowdown of the dollar. I even see gold and silver and all of those have started ripping as well and starting to look pretty good. So far, all lines are checked. And now we just need Bitcoin to break the really key one. I just want to see this one over here. And the USDT dominance also, this is a lower high in my opinion. And another strong leg down here can be bullishness for the market.
Awesome. That was a good session today. I hope you feel inspired to buy more Bitcoin. We're going to be back on Friday morning. We're going to talk about non-farm payrolls and where is Bitcoin going. I'm trusting that Bitcoin will just go maybe up to that $22,000 level. I really would like that to see our accounts grow. You must have a fabulous day. See you on Friday.
Great, guys. Thank you for joining us. See you Friday. Cheers, eh?